Well, hello, fellow wavers, and welcome to Elliott Junctures. My name is Al Graham, and I'm filling in for Jeff Kennedy today. Today's topic is WaveX. Think of WaveX as the glue that holds it all together when you are initially wrong the market when working a corrective pattern. Let me explain. Let's say you have a market top at some wave degree, and you're looking for a decline. The market falls, and you have what you think is a bottom. And you think you're looking for a corrective rise at equivalent wave degree. For example, if this is the top of the market and we're looking for a impulsive fall in 5 waves, this would be wave 1, and we're looking for wave 2 up as a corrective move. Or maybe this is the top of the market and we're looking for a larger corrective decline as ABC, and the initial 5 down is wave A, and we're looking for wave B up in 3 waves. Either way, we're looking for a corrective rise in 3 waves. That sets the stage. As the market just begins to turn up, you're looking to count a corrective rise in some sort of a 3, hoping to get short at top of that corrective rise for the next selling sequence. So you make some initial broad parameters for this corrective rally sequence. To begin with, you're thinking that this corrective rise will not exceed the top of the other move. This is wave 1. We're looking for wave 2 up to not above there. That's the first thing you know. Next thing you know is you're going to look for some proportionality in both the terms of price and time. As the market just begins to move, you're thinking it ought to carry at least towards the 382, quite maybe probably into the 618 territory, if not a little bit higher, but not above there. Market has just begun its move. And also, from a time perspective, you'd like it to take some time because it's at equivalent wave degree. The market turns up. You're looking for 3 up. You have 3 up. Should you sell it there? Think of this. Look at the time it took for this fall compared to that. Time proportionality is not there. You're looking at the magnitude of this fall, and this rise is at the same wave degree. Wave 1 working wave 2, or wave A working wave B. We have, in percentage terms, we haven't retraced much at all, and we haven't burned very much time relative to the prior equivalent wave degree selling sequence. So it's probably not a good idea to sell there, is it? You already knew that. But the market progresses up. We're looking for a corrective rise in 3 waves. You have 5 up for an A. You're looking for ABC up. You have 3 down for a B. You have 5 up for a C. Time proportionality is there. Price proportionality is there because we're between the 382 and 618 retracement. You have everything in place here. At the end of this, from here you're looking for 5 up. You have 5 up. There it is. Market begins to fall. What an electrician would be thinking about doing is looking for a bounce, to sell this bounce, and put a stop here. Doesn't that make sense? You're looking for a 3 up into targeting. Time proportionality is there. You have your 3 up. The market begins to fall. When you see a bounce, you sell the bounce, and your stop is there. That's what one does, Elliott. Looking for the market to go down. Because you have your 5 down, you have your 3 up, it's ready to rock and roll. So you sold that bounce. With with a stop there. But dang it, the market did not go down like it was supposed to. Instead, it went up, hit your stop, proving you wrong. What does one do then? That's how wave X works like glue. When you're looking for a corrective rise, and you have it, and both time and price proportionality is there, and you sell into that, looking for downside trend resumption, and instead you are stopped out because we went to a new high proving you wrong, do you just say you're wrong everything and walk away from this market? Not necessarily so. When you get stopped out, you're looking for a corrective 3 up, and you establish and you're stopped out, what you do is go back. 1, make sure that this looks like a 3. Were you right to sell after 3 up? An initial drop with a stop there. Make sure that was right. That is so. Then look at this decline off of what you thought was the top. Does it look like a 3? Down, up, down. If it does, that's the glue. Wave X is glue. Wave X glues together a pair of 3-wave patterns. A, B, C. You sold into that, came down, stopped you out, but that's a 3. That's X. The gluing agent. From this low, you're now looking for another second ABC rise to connect with the initial ABC rise, and what connects them is the glue of wave X. So you've been stopped out, and here we are. You're now, because this was a 3, you're now looking for a double. For X, you're now looking for a second ABC, like this one, a 5, 3, 5. You have 5 up. That must only be wave A. So you got to have another pullback in 3 and another rise in 5 to not above there. Hopefully not a whole bunch above there. So you're biding your time, licking your wounds. There's your ABC, there's your X, there's that 5 for wave A. Then it pulled back in 3, which you wanted it to. You're preferably not below there. Now you're getting ready again to possibly recover from your initial mistake. If price can rise from this low in a wave C position in 5 waves to above the wave A crest, not above there, that could be the end of the corrective rise you're looking for. And wave X is the glue that holds together the 2 ABCs. When you see that, now you're looking for that top. Market starts to go down. Everything is there. So now you basically want to repeat what you did right there. You think you got the top in now, so you're waiting for the first little bitty bounce to sell it with a stop there. Exactly repeating what you did here. The objective is resume this downtrend. That's how you use wave X. Let me give you an example in the real time. I just selected a market that Jeff covers. It's lumber. From this bottom, he was looking for a corrective 3-wave rise. This had to be within a triangle. It was a bigger formation. This wave C down took quite a bit of time, pretty much in perspective of this. You had a fall, and you had your 3 up, but it did not burn very much time. Didn't retrace percentage-wise all that much. That probably, it doesn't look right. But you have your 3 up. So you're thinking wave X, a double 3. So you have your wave X. Now you need a second 3 up. A. 3 down for B. Now you're looking for C up in 5 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. And just as another note, you also looking when you're using the wave X as the glue. Also, you're looking at proportionality, the second 3 to the first 3. In this example, the distance covered in the first 3 up, measured from the wave B trough, projected up, and from the wave X trough, A, B, C, X, the distance of the initial 3, measured from the wave X trough upwards, 1.382 times and 1.618 times would be your targeting when you count to 5 up. Anyway, I hope that helps. When you are looking for a corrective 3-wave rise and you see it and you establish shorts and you're stopped out, think of wave X as the glue. You may not be wrong after all. That's it for today. If you have any questions or comments, send them to ssteam@elliottwave.com. Be sure to reference Al in the subject line of your email. I will promptly respond once the home office bounces your email to me. Till next